Abuso, Kida Canada and Tessakas, Macquandor, New Credit and Donchapa, which is a go to Buin Snaby Quain now. Up Chigo Migwich, Ogami Sang Snaby Memprimatsuin. Up Chigo Nendum Migwich, Skinny Nini Work, Skinny Quay Work, Widow Carsword. Anishinaabemowin Wiigwaam. De sine gewen Anishinaabemowin. Ndo Wiigwaam bungi etago. Migwachogami shang Anishinaabemowin. Kinoma ke Wiigwaam. Gin win widow kage ben Anishinaabemowin ajen Anishinaabe kendaswin enadsin nog denwin bimatiswin. Skinny Quay, walk skinny nini walk. Wakinamagi Anishinaabemowin. Ginwa Nigani Gawan. Wakinamagi nin. Those young people had lifted me up. I don't speak too much language. And it's nice to hear these young people speaking so good in our language, and also teaching me. I wish we had more opportunities to do these kind of language groups. I didn't grow up in my language, and I didn't raise my children up in my language because I didn't know how. But we come from a place where we don't have access to our language. New Credit and don't. New Credit, we don't have very much language at all. And it's nice to be invited to come and listen to the language and write our language. But the most beautiful, Ganachwarn, the most beautiful thing here that had happened here is hearing these young people speak in the language and engaging with the older speakers, the elders who are speaking the language, and it gives me a lot of hope for our language in the future. Miigwech.